Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your inventory is full on plants versus brain rot. So basically, I usually just go to my inventory and auto sell the rare ones because I still need epic for the quests. So I basically just auto sell the rare. You can also look at the mutations here. So colored keep, gray auto sell. So maybe I'm just going to auto sell the normal ones. Actually, I'm just going to keep it because I might get a secret. But you can do that. And then when you have your inventory really full, you can kind of see if there's anything important. So I think I'm going to save this one. And then this one's not that important. I'm just going to sell it to the NPC here. Berry, I want to sell my brain rots. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!